Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 61 F100, 3 on the tree with the V8. Odometer shows 45,559. I see back in 2018, it must have had 44,498. So in about 6 years, it's had 1,000 miles put on it. So temp gauge doesn't work, fuel gauge does. Fan works. Horn does not work. Blinker lights up. I don't know if they work or if they're just like, I would have to double check on my Fords and see if they are manual ones or not. Wipers do not work. Sure sounds good. A little bit of sauce leak, I'm guessing, from the header. Got a Holly carburetor on it. Yeah, so maybe the flasher isn't on there, and we'll have to check and see. But lights work and the blinkers light up, they just don't flash. There's your fuel exhaust. Your tail lights. So, good runnable pickup. Got a few things to fix on it. We'll look at them. But if you're interested, call and we'll go from there. 605-695-7391.